once again on the mic, my friend, coming off and taking y'all down to the AM with no tripping and slipping. I'm just ripping. Chilly the most, and other rappers I be flipping. Yo, I never joke with the punks I yoke. I treat you like a Newport and you get smoked, boy. So just have fun, listen to a new one. But I feel most chill cause I just begun to start slamming, housing and hitting, still in effect. So you need to quit ripping and slipping and just chill, let the music play. Because scratch mans arrives, turntable, obey. The microphone madman brother who can make a rapper sing quicker than if he wasn't quicksand. You like that? I knew that you would because I'm good, so good. Scratch master is good, we got the power. Word to her, we go psycho. Hype like a pipe every time I grab a microphone and hear scratch master rock the cut. You gotta
turn your radio up. Radio, 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 radio,
listen to this. I'm from the author, the illustrated dope vocalist. See, I go Rambo, yo, and then gave a sucker a seminar on how to kick flavor. Do me a favor, get up and prove that you can do this. Because the music's smooth, and then I get going. The melody's flowing over the drums, and for the suckers never knowing me, I be the epitome. See, when I take a microphone, I go to the apogee. I get lethal when I see the people, and now I got you waiting for the sequel. But this encore's more than you got before, taking over like a conquistador. You know I'm all in rap battles. I win, get off the wall to the rhythm, scratch master, bring the cut in. Let the music play on the playlist. You give the DJ a call, he might say this record's so hot that it might erupt unless you
turn your radio up. Radio, radio, radio.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing technical difficulties.
I grab a mic. Never let go, so you know that I do a dope show. The rhyme record every second rhyme saying, no, I'm not a mayor, but you voted me the player. New jam, then I grab a mic like a hammer. The beat is like booming. You say, my man, beat like this beat is more than hard. And then you hear the voices saying, oh, come on, yes. Got to be the epitome of rap. Probably use a buzzsaw just to cut the crap out of anybody, hardy. So listen to me at a party. I don't drink no monkey or Bacardi. Because I'm righteous, you can't fight this. I bet you pull the record back and try to bite this. Ain't no half-stepping, just full power. And if you try to move on me, I won't allow her. Boy, who's a toy to destroy this man? Cause I'll be working around the clock like Tristan. I rock the beat and make you move your butt and then you